Hi everyone! This recipe is the most delicious recipe for homemade chicken barbecue. I hope you try it and I hope you enjoy. What you need for this recipe is 2 pounds of chicken breasts, cut into cubes the sizes that you prefer. You add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of zaatar, which is dried thyme and sesame, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chilli, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You mix them well all together. Cover and place in the fridge overnight, or at least 6 hours. Before you use the wood skewers, soak them in water at least 1 hour so you prevent them from burning. Enjoy these chicken skewers with garlic sauce, and the recipe is in the description below, and hummus. You can find the video also in the description below. Enjoy this dish and see you next time with a new recipe.